public sector unit stocks. Now, they have seen some recovery in the last few days after falling down in the on a week before that. Now, the BSE PSU index has been rallying almost 93% in the past year due to earning per share upgrades and return on equity improvements. But their price to earning ratio, when it's compared to Nifty index, is on a 40% discount. Jefferies, however, has been upbeat on PSU stocks. And if we take a look at some of the stocks across sectors, State Bank of India has been up in the last 5 days after recovery, 6.66% almost, NTPC almost 1%, Coal India Limited almost 3%, IRCTC 1.15%, even ONGC is up today, so is BHEL, Gas Authority of India Limited almost 6%. Where do you see PSU stocks? What do you make of this recovery? Is it going to continue, or is it just a blip and the correction may continue after this?
Amit, if we have to analyze and discuss about PSU stock, we have to also look at the rally that PSU stocks have witnessed in the past 1 year. As you rightly mentioned, in the year FY23, PSU stocks have been the outperformance, and the PSU index is one of the strong performer. From the month of August 2023, we have witnessed a PSU stocks have been raised in a broad-based way, irrespective of sectors, irrespective of the market capitalization of the companies. By and large, all the PSU stocks have been going up. I just would like to share a small anecdote with you all, my personal experience. We have landlines in as per the regulatory, or we need to keep landlines in our office. We still use the landlines. Okay, these are from MTNL. Past 3-4 months, there is some technical issue or something. These landlines have not been working, and our team has been behind them, right, sending the escalation mails. There was absolutely zero response from these guys. Personally, I have written an escalation mail. Till date also, there is no absolutely, but the share has been rallying. Various reasons. They have a land banking story. Yesterday also, MTNL is up. The core business is nowhere it's moving, but some kind of euphoria is coming back into the stocks, and there are some people advocating this MTNL. This is not a investment advice or something. I'm just sharing the live example. Some people shares, they hold strong land bank in the metros, so the stock is expected to do well. So the point I'm conveying to you is the stocks have been witnessed a broad-based rally. See, there are some PSU stocks which make landline telephone phones, ITDCs, Indian Telecom Company. Those stocks also rallying. So the point I'm trying to envisage for the knowledge of the investors, what we witnessed in PSU stocks has been a broad-based rally. Going ahead, in the past fortnight, we have witnessed a vertical rallies in the majority of the PSU stocks. Now, the one thing what caused this humongous rally in these stocks, one thing is these stocks have been in a strong consolidation phase for years, and as the feelers that came from the government, and also the usage of technology has been going up in the PSU companies, and also the management quality has been going up, the productivity levels have been going up. So there is some kind of significant fundamental theme also, some fundamental change also that has came into effect in these PSU stocks. Going ahead, is all the PSU stocks are going to rally from here? I certainly doubt. One need to now think about the valuations of these companies and the earning outlook of these companies. So it's going to be more stock specific, and going to be depends upon the valuations of these companies. One need to take into consideration. It's not a blind buy. Every PSU stock is going to rally. I certainly doubt. The momentum is in their favor, but one need to be prepared for the sharp kind of cuts also. Everybody talking about how PSUs got corrected recently, but one need to also take into cognizance, one need to also consider from which point these PSU stocks have been rallied. Probably these stocks have been corrected in the past 1 week for 10-15%, but from the bottom of these prices, from the low point of these stocks, the stock have been multiplied more than on an average. They given 18 to 200% returns. Some railway stocks have been multiplied. So, which theme is going to play in a railway space? How these stocks are positioned? How the earning outlook is going to be in defense space? How these stocks have been rallied? What is the relative valuations? And how the future outlook of these companies? That's going to play well. But they are in an interesting space right now. But earnings
Right.
and the outlook of these companies going to play in PSU stocks.